Welcome back. Are you as much of a fan of the KFC's Famous Bowl as I am? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that at home. Okay, so the first thing you need is your favorite chicken nugget or popcorn chicken. Okay, and we're going to put those out on an aluminum foil lined pan and into the oven according to the package directions. Okay, second thing, 1 bag instant mashed potatoes. Make it according to the package directions. It says 2 cups of water, but a little hack for you. I like to use half water, half milk, cold, and whisk it into a microwave safe bowl, and then microwave according to directions. All right, make your brown gravy according to package directions. Okay, guys, we're gonna put this together now. So, the fun thing about making this KFC Famous Bowl at home is you can add more or less of what is your favorite. So in goes the corn, and this of course is whole kernel sweet corn, and it's drained very, very well. Now, a little bit of your gravy there. Again, the fun thing is you can do it how you want it. What's your most favorite part? Then load in your popcorn chicken. Then, a little bit more gravy. And cheese. KFC's Famous Bowl. Great American comfort food at its best, you guys. So good. And guess what? 5 ingredients or less. All right, if you guys want to see me fancify this KFC Famous Bowl a little bit, leave me a comment on that, okay? And I'll be glad to show you how to do that. But in the meantime, enjoy this, right? Oh my word, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does. And don't forget to subscribe.